Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to check out some bold hair color trends. The first one is going to be of the split dye. This trend has really taken off over the past couple of years, and with the return of the Cruella movie, we are seeing a lot of black and blonde versions of this trend, black and platinum, and this trend simply features wearing two-tone colors in your hair. So you have one color on each side. We're also seeing a unique spin on this trend. If you check out the clip in the left, the lady is getting red on one side as well as yellow highlights on one side. I love this take on the split dye because it is a little bit more versatile and a little bit more wearable for every day. So moving on, we are also seeing a lot of bold color in general, bold yellows, vibrant purples, lilacs, pastels. Color as a whole is really starting to take notice when it comes to hairstyles. It used to be that the ones that would wear bold hair color were just a little bit emo or different, but now everyone is stepping into the game, stepping out of their comfort zone and stepping away from boring colors. We're seeing a lot of vibrant hair shades this season, loving this dip dyed undercut pink variation with the design. And we're seeing a lot of people gravitate towards finding their own unique way to color their hair. So another hot trend that we've noticed is, of course, shades of red. This can range from ginger to soft copper tones to more bold reds and burgundies. We're really seeing a wide range in this family this season. One hot trend that we're really noticing is the combo like this one that features blonde as well as orange and red combined together. Loving this red bob. But bold red colors in general are definitely having a moment. This one features an orange at the top, at the roots, and then gravitates toward more of a blonde at the ends. This is just another reverse ombre look that we're seeing with different and unique hair color combos. So next up is blue and gray combinations. We're seeing a lot of silvers, a lot of platinums, and a lot of blues and greens. This hair color, of course, is very edgy. It's definitely one that will make you stand out. I've noticed that green hair in particular is really popular. We're seeing a lot of hair extensions worn with green color combinations. And once again, it just proves and shows you that you don't have to keep up with the norm and you can have a unique hair color. You can also dip dye your ends like those two previous clips if you just want to showcase a little bit of color but not go too bold. So next we're going to take a look at this gorgeous undercut pixie. This is absolutely amazing. We are seeing a lot of design ideas coming about in haircuts in general. If you guys want to see a video of in depth a little bit more about that trend, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like, and that will just kind of let me know that you are interested in seeing and hearing more about some of the different designs that are popping up when it comes to shorter hairstyles. So in this clip, she is doing the split dye trend, and this take is going to be purple on one side and then blue on the other. This is a very edgy hairstyle and color combination, and she decides to once again shade down the sides to achieve that undercut look, leaving a little bit more hair shaven down is also another trend that I'm starting to take note of, and that just creates more of a gradual effect when it comes to the hair designs. So now she's deciding to once again mix it up with the split dye trend, and she's doing green on one side and then purple on the other. Pastels in general are also very big this season, so that is another hair color trend that you can look forward to seeing in 2022. Loving the split dyed pixie. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So another trend that you can try out if you want to temporarily dye your hair is the use of wax paint. Wax paint is a fun way to color your hair for a day or two and just kind of experiment with color without actually dyeing or risking damage to dyeing your hair. So next up, we are of course seeing the money piece highlight. This trend is everywhere. And if you wanted to be bold, you could dye your money piece a different hair color that is on more of the vibrancy side. This girl is dyeing her hair this gorgeous yellow. And she is dyeing her hair orange as well. So you can see that her money piece is kind of highlighted, but it's not a gradual effect. And this of course is a subtle way to wear money piece highlights, just adding a little pop to the hairline to just kind of create some highlight to your face. Frame your face with highlight money piece trend. And then this version is a little bit more bold. The hair is very blonde in the front and the hair is darker in the back. And then here again is kind of a subtle way to wear this trend. She's going to get a transformation that showcases more of that money piece highlight look. If you wanted to be very bold, you could dye your hair in the front a completely different color than the rest of your hair. And that could be pink or purple, and just leave the rest of your hair dark. That would be a really cool way to wear the money piece trend with a bold way of doing so. And then of course we are also seeing shades of blonde. Blonde hair will never go anywhere. It will always be in trend. This season we're seeing it being updated with platinum color variations, as well as just kind of more highlights throughout. You can also choose to dip dye your ends a different color and make the blonde hair pop. Loving this gorgeous money piece variation, the blonde. Here's a look at a gorgeous platinum blonde color. So that is it for this video. Which hair color trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one.